Hello, Namaste. This is your Sridevi Jayan. Welcome back. How are you, my dear friends? See the weather here. This is awesome today. It has been drizzling here. On this rainy day, if we have some spicy snacks and hot coffee, how amazing it is, right? Let's show you how to make spicy masala groundnuts. It is one of the best Indian protein-rich snacks. Let's start. This is very tasty and very easy to prepare, and you need a few ingredients to prepare this. Look at these crunchy, spicy masala groundnuts. Aren't they tempting you? Same bakery style. I avoided food color. If you want, you can add food color. We need these ingredients to prepare them. Gram flour 200 grams. Raw groundnuts 250 grams, curry leaves a handful, rice flour 5 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste 2 spoons, chili powder and salt according to your taste. I added a spoonful of pepper powder to ginger garlic paste. If you like, you can have it. It is optional. Take a large plate and transform the raw groundnuts into the plate. Now add ginger garlic paste and black pepper powder I already mixed in the paste. Now spread the rice flour on them. Now it's time to add gram flour, but do not add the complete gram flour to the groundnuts. You have to add them in small portions step by step as I show you in this video. Add chili powder, salt and curry leaves one after that. Now take water and sprinkle on the mixture. Knead them well so that the entire masala stick to the groundnuts. Step by step, add the remaining gram flour by sprinkling water as shown here. This is the required consistency. Now let's go and fry them. Lit the stove and take a frying pan and pour 250 grams of oil in the pan and heat it. Keep the flame in medium. Don't keep it in high flame. If you keep like that, all the groundnuts will be burnt. You will not get the required taste. Now our oil is ready to fry the masala groundnuts. Now take the mixture of groundnuts and drop them into oil. Stir them occasionally so that evenly they get fried. Now transform them into a vessel which has holes so that the extra oil will be removed. Fry the remaining mixture of groundnuts in the same way. Look here, hot, spicy, crunchy, tasty, healthy, masala, protein-rich groundnuts are ready for you. Please try this recipe at home and surprise your members of family. And don't forget to drop the comment in the comments box. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon to get the future updates as notifications. I will come back to you with one more video. Till then, bye. Take care.